Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Sadia Patel. Our today's recipe is meethe dahi bade or sweet dahi bade in its simplest version or simplest form. So we will check out the ingredients for this and let's get started. Here we have taken 2 cups of urad dal or mash dal. We have to soak the dal in water 2 hours before, and here we have taken some jaggery, crushed it into pieces, and then we will pour some water into this and we will keep it aside so that it gets melted. So this is the pre-preparation for our meethe dahi bade that we have to do 2 hours before. Here you can see our dal is properly soaked in water, and we have added some green chilies, coriander and mint leaves, and we have grinded it to a fine paste, and now we have to whisk it well for 5 minutes continuously so that it forms air inside it. Now we will add some ginger garlic paste and some salt to this. Here you can add ajwain also, I have added later. So again mix it very well. Here we will do a test by taking a small amount of water, and then we will put a small quantity of this batter in the water. If it floats in the water, then we can say that this batter is ready to be fried. If it does not float and sinks to the bottom of water, then we have to whisk it once again. Now our batter is ready to be fried, and we have heated up some oil in the pan. Now I have added some ajwain because I forgot earlier, so now I have added. So we can see that our oil is hot. Now we will put the batter bhajiyas into the oil, but before doing so we will prepare our dahi or curd or yogurt. We will whisk our yogurt and we will add some amount of salt to this. We will prepare salty water by adding some amount of salt to plain water. So we will prepare the dahi bada or vada. We will fry them. The purpose for making the salty water is when these bhajia are fried, we will put them directly into the salty water. We will not take them out on any paper towel or anything. We will put this directly from hot oil to that water, salty water. This mash vada takes some time for frying. This does not get cooked as easily as besan vada, so we have to be patient. And don't put it on high flame, because if you put on high flame, the bhajiyas will be brown or reddish from outside, but from inside it will not be cooked, it will be raw. So it's better you cook it on medium to low flame. Flip it in between and then fry again until and unless they get golden brown color. We have to fry. Here we can see that our vada have turned to golden brown. We will take them out in salty water, and then after putting it for 5 minutes in salty water, we will take all our vada out, and in a dish that we will be preparing our dahi vada, we will arrange all those vadas, and then we will pour that jaggery water over all of the bhajiyas until all of them get saturated very well with the sweet water of jaggery. Make sure that every vada gets this water, otherwise you will lack sweetness in this dish. After adding enough jaggery water, we will pour our curd and salt over this vada. Make sure every vada is well coated with this yogurt. Trust me guys, this recipe is so simple to make. It does not require any sweet tamarind or sweet chutney or tamarind chutney, khatti mitti chutney or green chutney. This is the simplest version that I am showing you. Now we have taken some chaat masala and red chilli powder. With your hands take a generous pinch of chaat masala and sprinkle all over the yogurt. It looks really good, and the color of this red chilli powder is the killer guys. This makes the recipe look so tempting, and it tasted really good. So it's done. So do let me know how it turned out to be, and must try everyone. Take care, bye bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.